Now, a new production method is required. Today, many factories are losing efficiency by mainly COVID. Frequent delays in raw material deliveries, employees returning home, lockdowns, changes of delivery date and quantity. As a result, problems: insufficient raw materials, double booking of equipment. Delays in the previous process are not reflected. Wrong setup time. Machines not selected to meet specifications. Not enough workers or operators. Changes in orders are not reflected. Priority is given to the jobs that does not need to be done in a hurry. Factories had overwhelming efficiency through just-in-time, leveling, and cell production etc. are no longer able to continue these as before. A new type of production system is required. Many factories are taking the following actions. 1. Build a system to acquire inventory and work results ASAP. 2. Coordinate it with a production scheduler. 3. Provide viable work instructions immediately to maintain the operation rate. This is a new method. Resilient production using quick response system. If you are familiar with IT, you will understand that these can be realized to a higher degree by linking MES Manufacturing Execution System and Production Scheduler, Asprova. Asprova makes it possible to link workers, operators, equipments, raw materials, molds, jigs, shifts, orders, delivery dates, all necessary things, and to issue work orders that can be executed with certainty. If you are interested, please contact our distributors in 44 countries around the world. They will be happy to show you a live demo.